he's loving it.
Oh my. Ah, look at this. He's doing it. Ah, you got it, buddy. Hey, no way.
He just took it.
That was my lunch. Are you serious, bro?
Oh my gosh.
I can't believe that.
Oh, he's turning around. No way. All right, let's do it. 1, 2.
Move. Run.
I am.
Somebody help me.
Hold it closer, maybe to look.
All right, say cheese.
Whoa, hey, no. He just took it. He's going up the roof.
I just took a selfie.
What? Hey, buddy. Whoa, no. Ah! Oh my. You're crushing me, you goof. Run, buddy.
Hey, Goose is serious.
Poor buddy.
Listen to that sound. Lovebirds, literally. Same, buddy.
Pretty morning out here, huh?
Yeah, it's like glass.
Hey!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I can't imagine my life without you, so will you marry me?
Yes.
No, hey, come back! The ring!
I want to smell, buddy?
Whoa!
So relaxed.
Whoa, what in the?
Oh my gosh! Look at that!
Is this really happening?
New hat, man!
Yeah, apparently.
Stand. Look who's curious. I got the biggest swirl at the stand. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry.
Just a perfect afternoon by the pool. Nothing better than. Whoa, hey. Oh my, buddy, you just pushed me in.
Easy, buddy. Whoa, he's mad.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me. You're a menace, buddy.
He's squaring up. Run! Ah! He's after you. Oh my god! Go!
Hey! Oh no, it's coming at me. Go!
Hang on. Whoa! You good? Oh!
Whoa. Get it, man. Watch this flip. Whoa!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we're good. Sorry, buddy.
That thing just gave up.
Guess we need a new trampoline.
Look at this big guy going for the honey. Oh, stung. Silly bear. What you get, buddy? Uh-oh. Whoa. Hey. Ow. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm sorry. Ow, they're in my hair.
Check out this beast. Selfie time. Whoa, hey, you gotta be kidding me! It took my hair! Didn't even want the fish! That piece cost $1,000! Guess I'm going natural now.
Hey, buddy. Oh, hi. Oh! Ew!
Poor little guy.
Look at him! Hey, don't do that! Stop! Give it back! Don't do that! Oh no! Oh my god.
All right, here we go. 1, 2. Oh, come on. Oh, ow! Kidding me right now? Wow. Come on, keep it moving, yeah.
Yo, there's a root.
Huh? Whoa, oh my. Ah! Hey, what the?
He's squaring up, dude!
Ow! Hey, whoa, you bit me. Okay, all right, easy there. Jeez.
Tighten up just a bit more.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, you little rascal. He got you good. Yeah, laugh it up.
He's zipping me up. Oh my god.
That is hilarious.
Hey, easy, buddy. Oh, he's going back down now. You teasing me? All right, one more.
Skill.
Zip it up. There we go.
On the run. Oh, whoa. We got company. All right, let's go, big guy. I'm keeping up. Nope, okay. Oh my. Look at him. Bro just stopped the judge.
Come on. Oof, it's heavy. Hey, no! Get out of it! Oh, you think? Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah, Bird got the fish though.
Oh my gosh, you just took it! I can't believe that almost hit your face!
That was so close.
Whoa! Hey! Dang it!
You think that's funny, huh?
Oh, here he goes. Oh my gosh! Her face. She's so confused. Whoa! Oh my god! He just took your spot.
Oh. Come on. Oof, it's heavy. Hey, no! Get out of it! Oh, you thief! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh, yeah, Bird got the fish though.
Oh, there it is! Got one!
Come on, hey!
Oh my
Cat,
God.
that's mine!
It's gone. He
You
took
little
the whole
thief!
thing.
Well, that's supper, I guess.
He's trying to bury
It's
it.
not even yours!
Poor thing thinks that's the litter box.
The face he makes!
All right, big guy, let's get you up on the. Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
Hey! Okay, you'd rather hug, huh? You're not getting out of your checkup
He
like
is
this,
holding
buddy.
on for
All
dear
right,
life.
we'll take it.
Buster, what are you doing? Yeah, I was right. You done?
All right, big guy, let's get you up on the. Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
Hey! Okay, you'd rather hug, huh? You're not getting out of your checkup
He
like
is
this,
holding
buddy.
on for
All
dear
right,
life.
we'll take it.
What are you doing, buddy? You're gonna make yourself dizzy. Look at you go. All right, that's enough, silly. Got it? Oh, buddy. Yeah, that's not gonna fit, pal. You gotta turn it. Turn it sideways. No? Okay. He's so confused.
Whoa, hey, it's just a frog, buddy. You're okay. It's tiny. Brave cat, though.
Both of them.
Poor pups, look at them swim.
You're doing it, buddy. Go to the steps.
Good job, you two.
Come on, big guy. Just hold on. We're going up.
Oh my gosh, look at that dog.
Almost there, Bear. You're doing great.
That's a good
Yeah,
boy.
see? Nothing to it. Step off, and we're done.
Oh my god!